Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Polyester Yarn Manufacturing Process. Flowchart of polyester manufacturing, polymerization, polymer chips making, melt spinning, drawing and orientation, winding.
Polymerization.
We effectively had a dicarboxylic acid monomer plus a diol monomer go to form a condensation polymer, which in this case was a polyester, because this group in the middle is an ester link.
Purified terephthalic acid and methylene glycol are reacted at high temperatures to form molten polyester. Polymer chips making. The molten polymer is extruded through a die, cooled often in water, and cut into small, manageable chips. Melt spinning. The polyester chips are dried, melted, and forced through a spinner at a metal plate with tiny holes to create filaments. These filaments are cooled and solidified by air. Drawing. The solidified filaments are drawn stretched over heated rollers to orient the molecular structure, which increases the tensile strength and elasticity of the yarn. Winding. The filaments are twisted and heated to create bulk and texture. Drawn textured yarn is then wound into bobbins.
Another process for polyester monofilament, extruding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.